In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a return and refund policy on your Wix website. It's a straightforward process, but each step is crucial to ensure your customers have access to your policy details. So let's dive in. First, open up your Wix website editor. This is your main hub for making changes or additions to your site. Once you're in the editor, locate the Pages and Menu option. You'll find this typically on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking here will show you all the existing pages on your site. Now, to add a new section, you need to click Add Page. This option is usually highlighted or features a plus sign that makes it easy to spot. After selecting Add Page, you'll see of various templates to choose from. However, since we are creating a custom policy page, go ahead and click on Blank Page. This gives us a fresh slate to work on, enabling us to tailor the page specifically to our needs without any pre-existing content or formatting. With your blank page open, you'll want to give it a clear, descriptive name so that visitors can easily identify it. Type Return and Refund into the title field. By doing this, not only are you setting up the page structure, but you're also laying the groundwork for good SEO practices, which can help your site's visibility. Next, let's add some content to your page. Click on Add Elements and then choose Text. The text option will open up a submenu. Select Titles here. From this selection, choose a title format that suits your site's aesthetic, but ensure it's clear and readable because it will serve as the header of your policy. Once you have added and formatted your title, click on Text again. Now it's time to input the actual content of your policy. First, click Add Elements again and select Paragraphs and pick a paragraph style that matches the rest of your site for consistency. This step is important for maintaining a professional look and feel. Now that you're ready, type in your return and refund policy details in the paragraph section you just added. It's important that this policy is clear, concise, and easy for your customers to understand. Be sure to cover key points like timeframes, conditions for returns, and any associated costs to avoid confusion later. After you've inputted your policy, take a moment to review the page layout. Make sure everything is easy to read and that there are no typing errors. Your return and refund policy reflects your brand, so it's crucial that it looks professional and is accessible. Once you are satisfied with how the page looks and reads, click Save. Then, make sure to preview your site to see exactly how this new policy page looks from a visitor's perspective. If everything appears as it should, you're all set. By following these steps, you've not only made your site more functional, but you've also enhanced your customer service by providing clear information. This not only builds trust with your customers, but also protects your business.